Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just go to the sound section, and here you'll see the ring volume. To change the volume, just swipe with your finger the dot here on to the left or to the right side. The second way is just go to the volume buttons here on the right side of your phone, and with your finger just press on the up volume button or to the left down volume button. Also you can go here to the settings, and with your finger you can change your ringtone volume by this way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.